Hello and welcome to Make a Joyful Noise, brought to you by St. Paul Lutheran Church in beautiful downtown Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the Director of Music and Organist at the church. On Sunday, July 18th, we're going to be singing a couple of hymns that at one point had nothing to do with each other whatsoever, written years apart. But as of 2020, they do have quite a lot to do with each other. First of all, the final hymn, which is called Savior Like a Shepherd Lead Us, very appropriate for Sunday's liturgy, especially for the gospel, talks about heresy. The third verse talks about heresy and how we have to calm that down so that we become and we can be a morn of song. The opening hymn, All Are Welcome, We All Love. It's a beautiful hymn, very singable hymn, something we walk out the door singing sometimes. However, there are churches in the United States that have decided that this text is not appropriate. They're finding stuff in the text to complain about. It actually got so high that it went to the United States Conference of Bishops and was discussed. And finally, the final outcome is, for instance, in the state of Massachusetts, they recommend you don't sing this because of some of the wordings. If you want to find out what the exact problem is, type in story behind All Are Welcomed, and you will get a plethora of information about what's going on with this hymn. The ironic part of it happened last year, in the year 2020. So all this is boiling up right now. The words are absolutely, my opinion, are absolutely beautiful. And they represent St. Paul Lutheran Church to the hilt. All are welcomed here, no matter what you think, or you believe, or how you are, how you dressed, you are welcomed here. And that's the main crux of the song, I believe. Let me just play a little bit of it for you, just to get you in the mood for it for Sunday. Welcome in this place. St. Paul Lutheran Church in beautiful downtown Sarasota, Florida. Tune in Sunday morning on Facebook at 9:30, YouTube at 9:30. Better still, come and see us face to face. Thanks for listening.